Florida, Pensacola. And kakaalis lang namin sa hotel. It's actually 11:03 na po dito. It's Eastern Time Zone. And it's about 10:03 na po ng umaga sa Pensacola. So we have about 7.5 hours drive. Depende din po yan if there's like accidents on the road, you know, where it gets traffic, ganyan. So hopefully nothing bad. And yeah, it's gonna be a smooth sailing now. We are actually going to, on the way kasi sa may Chattanooga, there's a mountain there. Dadaanan doon namin to see the, what's the name of the mountain? The Lookout Mountain daw po. Ewan ko sa kanya kung totoo ba to. Anyways, yes, we're going to drive down there before we head straight back home para makita daw namin yung iba't ibang states, yung, you know, Lookout Mountain nga. Kaya yan, we had breakfast at the hotel already. So far, so good. And I have my snacks here. Hindi pala ako nakapag-room tour. Nakaalis na kami. Hindi ako nakapag-room tour, guys. Anyways, ayun na. Update ko kayo later. So, ayan yung traffic natin. Current traffic natin at the moment. Current na at the moment ba? Ang lalakas magpatakbo ng mga truck nila dito kagabi nung pauwi kami. Ay, naku, natakot talaga ako kasi in between kami sa dalawang truck na naghahabulan na ewan, yung parang ganyan. Tapos nasa gitna kami, and I was like, no, I don't want to be get sandwiched. Sabi ko kay husband, I don't want to be in the middle of two trucks. Galit na galit siya kagabi. So ayun, update ko kayo later, guys. See you and thank you, Knoxville, Tennessee. Gatlinburg, it's a highly recommended place to visit and stay for like at least 2 nights, ganyan. Really nice here. Hello, update. It's 12:26 na po ng tanghali. Nag-drive-thru lang kami ng McDonald's. Order kami ng, actually coffee tsaka fries lang yung in-order ko, macchiato, iced macchiato. And then, si husband, double quarter pounder. Biggie, yan yung in-order niya, tsaka large fries. And of course, Diet Coke. So yan, ito na yung lunch namin. Hindi na kami nag-stop and eat doon sa drive-thru na lang para mabilisan na siya, you know. While driving, we're eating. So, ito. Masarap. Tsaka, yes, I could see the mountain as well. Ito na yung lunch namin. Ang daming fries. Hindi na niya naubos. Hindi ko na din naubos. Hindi naman ako malaki. Hindi naman malaki yung kain ko. Siya lang naman yung malaki yung kain. Pero nag-surrender na siya. May naiwan pang konti. I might take it home to Cici. But Cici's taste bud has upgraded just like me. She doesn't like fries anymore. She likes pulled pork now. She got more and more spoiled. So ayan, malapit na kami sa, you see this, the red one? Yeah, malapit na kami sa Chattanooga, and then yeah, we'll see it from there. Update ko kayo later, guys. We are about to get on the red line on the road, which means traffic, accident, who knows. So see ya, update ko kayo later. 12:28 right now. Yeah, we're going right there on top of that thing right there. Mountains, that's where we're going on that little there. Like driving to FLC. There, aakitin po namin yung dulo na yan. That right there, the top of that mountain. And then we're gonna see different states. Not sure if I can show.
Different states. Don't be blown up enough.
What?
Okay.
Oh, it's nice here. Neighborhood. Nasa Chattanooga na kami. Chattanooga. Like early springs dito. Look at the trees. Ganda. Yung papabloom pa lang ng mga leaves. Yellow, green. Hello everybody! Nakabalik na kami sa sasakyan. We just left the Point View Park. Point Park?
Yep.
Point Park, nakaalis na kami. And it's about 1:50 PM na po dito. And this is part of Georgia na pala. This side is part of Georgia. Hindi na siya part ng, ang ganda ng mga purple lavenderish flower. So this is part of Georgia. 1:50 na po. We're heading back to Pensacola, we have about 6-hour drive to Pensacola. So, ayun. And ang ganda. Ang ano, sobrang lamig. Malamig siya. It's a bit chilly. Plus, it's very windy. Yung super windy. Yung mas windy pa siya sa pag nag-fishing kami minsan. Ganun. Watch, there's a car. So, yeah. Alis na kami, guys. And we will update you later. Okay. Yeah. So, ayun. Update ko kayo later. See ya, everybody. Ang ganda doon. It's worth to see. Very nice view. Parang ano lang. Nasa Buda Bukidnon. If you're familiar with Bukidnon, ayun. So yeah. This is the Rock City, guys.
You gotta go inside the thing.
Yeah.
I thought there was an overlook over here.
We're just gonna drive by. We're not gonna stop, but yeah. Right, there's the Rock City. Somewhere in there. Entrance. Parking, yeah. Ooh, look at my view.
Ooh, coming down.
Just drive, babe. Don't look. You've seen this earlier. Ah, look at the view. Road. Yeah. Mga bahay dun sa taas. Big houses. Nahihilo na ako, guys. Nag-stop over pa talaga siya dito sa Ruby Falls. Ruby Falls. Nag-stop over kami sa Ruby Falls. Ewan ko sa asawa ko, I'm not feeling good at all anymore. Bakit nag-stop by pa siya talaga dito? Akala ko bababa na kami ng bundok. Pero ayan. Go, Ruby Falls! Welcome to Ruby Falls. Entrance and tickets. You see inside. After the entrance door, there's another entrance door. So, there you go. Okay, to anyways, yes, it's 2:49 in the afternoon and we are 4 hours and 39 minutes away from home. Nakaidlip pala ako sandali. Probably almost an hour. Sana wala ko na siya. Yeah, ganun nga. Yeah, so I fell asleep pagbaba namin ng mountain. From the mountain, it wasn't it's not so bad, but I was starting to get there. Buti na lang hindi na malayo from Ruby Falls. Hindi na pala kami pumasok ng Ruby Falls kasi we're gonna get into a cave and I don't like caves. For some reason, I don't like caves. And he said that there is a waterfall there or something. And magpa-picture lang sana, punta lang kami sana sa yung top tower or something. But then, you won't get there unless you get in the cave. So, ayun. Hindi na lang kami kumuha ng ticket. Maybe next time, someday. But yes. Ang init. Sobrang init ng weather. Ang init-init, guys. Parang summer na. Oh, look at that. Look at the heads of the truck. These are the things that you see on the road. These are some of the things that you see on the road when you travel a lot. There are weird stuff. May mga weird stuff din kayong makikita on an oversized, oversized load, something ganyan. So, update ko kayo later, guys. 2:52 now. See ya, everybody. Magsa-snack muna ako. Kasi nakatulog tayo eh. Snack time. Kumain kami sa Walmart. Meron kaming peanuts. What's this? Peanut butter fudge. No bake cookies. Ayan, kay husband yan. Bumili siya. Of course, Oreo. Oreo. And then, naturally flavored vanilla ice cake. Ayan. Ito, vanilla ice cake. Ayan. Ayan ako naman yan. Para akong tala. And I got myself some mini eclairs. And we got milk as well. Isang bote ng milk. So ayan, kain na tayo guys. Kain tayo. Hello everybody. Ay, nakaidlip na naman ako. So, ayan. Anyways, it's 7:50 na po ng gabi. Nasa Flow Matan na kami. Malapit na kami sa bahay. We are about 1 hour away from the house. And nag-stop over kami to get gas
Trash.
and ice cream. No, we already throw it out.
It's thrown out of the back there. Pocket please.
Ayan, so, kain kami ng ice cream guys. Ice cream na. May spoon kami dito. Labas na pala. Kailangan ko yung spoon dito sa likod na. Wait lang. There's the sunset guys. And Mr. Moon is right there as well. Mr. Moon. Sunset. We're in Flow Matan. We're about 1 hour away from the house. Ayan. Nakapag-gas na kami and ice cream time. Menu siya. Ayan, sa kanya din yan. I had a few spoon. Ganyan siya pag hindi siya nag-diet. Dami niyan kinakain na sweets talaga yan siya. Siya na halos inubos niya na yung no bake na something peanut butter, ano ba yun? Chocolate. Tsaka yung Oreo, ilan na lang yung natira. I'm not sure ano ba yung Oreo. Kinakain niya yung, pinapapak niya yung Oreo. Tsaka yung, ano ba yung isa? Yung lemon cake yata. So ayan, kain na this. That's it. Ayan yung ating weather. Malapit na kami. Ay, naku. 8 na kaming darating sa bahay. It's 7:21 na po. So, update ko kayo later. Masakit na yung ulo ko. Medyo masakit na yung ulo ko. But so far, so good. I took the motion sickness pill today, this morning, before we left. Ayun na si Mr. Sun. Hi, Mr. Moon.
Probably been in bad shape.
Yeah. I would have been,
You
yeah.
would have never recovered after the mountain.
That's
You
true.
recovered after the mountain.
Yep, that's true. Yeah, everybody, madilim na. Yes, madilim na sa bahay mamaya pagdating namin. Hello everybody. Finally, we made it home safe after 48 years. Joke. Finally, we made it home safe and sound. Thank you, Lord. It's 8:30 na po ng gabi. Ayan, no. Nakakapagod magbiyahe, but yeah, pagod na si husband sa kakadrive, and then nakakapagod din maging passenger. Si girl is very excited. Ayun. Naglilinis ang daddy niya ng kalat niya. Ako naman, ito, ililigpit ko itong snack bags ko. Ito pala ang ating snacks, guys. So, I have this with me. Ito yung baon ko. Ito yung binili namin sa Walmart. Walnut ni husband. May peanut ako dito. Roasted peanut. Of course, my Palmier's biscuit. Meron din tayong honey. I do have magic creams with me as well. And mixed chocolates here. Ayun po ang ating. Nagdala din pala ako ng Nagdala po ko og popcorn just in case, pero wala ako nakaluto og popcorn. Cough drop. And nadala ko rin itong 512 GB na USB flash drive. Pero hindi ko siya nagamit kasi hindi ako nag-edit sa hotel. Wala akong ginawa. Nag-relax lang muna ako. Anyways, that's it for today. Update ko na lang kayo later. I hope hindi ko kayo makalimutang i-close. Magligpit-ligpit muna kami guys. Tulungan ko muna si asawa. See ya!